It's sad, but it's true. Your stuff does not feel warm and fuzzy about you. Are you in love with your stuff? So in love that it's nearly impossible for you to end your relationship? How do you know if you have a one-sided, unbalanced relationship with your stuff? Well, I'll give you a few warning signs. And believe me, you aren't alone. We all have this love affair with our stuff, but let's take a look at these warning signs to see if it's gotten a little extreme. The first one is you begin to think your stuff has feelings, and the stuff will be sad if you're no longer together. Yeah, some of us feel that way, and it's okay. But remember that others may love your stuff also. So here's a client story. One of my clients had attachments to her things, and she attached feelings to her things. She wanted to get rid of a lamp, so we put it on her curb. She lived on a very busy street. So we put it on the curb, and she'd look out the window and go, "Oh, it feels sad out there all alone." But it was taken away really quickly. And then she thought, this is great. This is thrilling that someone else is going to enjoy my lamp. So it worked out okay. She was okay with letting it go, and it wasn't sad or lonely for long. The second warning sign is your stuff preventing you from spending time with your loved ones? Do you feel embarrassed by the state of your home so you don't have people over? You isolate yourself? That's not good either. So consider that. What's more important, relationships with people or relationships with your stuff? Just something to think about, something to ponder. The third warning sign is you've accumulated things after your loved one has passed away, and then donating or discarding the things. Let's say you don't really like those things, they are not valuable to you, it's not your style. But if you toss them or donate them, you feel like you're getting rid of the memories, right? It does feel that way. But can you have the memories without the stuff? You probably can. And, I would like you to choose some things that are still valuable and important to you, but you don't have to save it all. And then consider where you're storing it. Is it in your damp basement in a cardboard box, not really getting any attention anyway? So the special items, maybe you can display them and enjoy them and feel the love and the memories on a daily basis when you look at them. If you decide to let some things go, it might help you to take a digital photo of the item and then let it go, because at least you'll have that photo to refer back to. If you want to feel that memory again, you can find it. So what are you thinking? Is it time to break up with your stuff, with some of your stuff? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Please subscribe and click on the bell so you receive notifications of future videos and future tidbits that'll help you get organized and let go of things. I'm Jill Annis, your compassionate, non-judgmental organizing expert and the owner of Simply Organized. Thank you so much for watching.